Still standing, the small businesses of the DC metro area and Southern Maryland is Group 5's digital library. It is a collection that showcases the vibrancy and variety of local retail signs and storefronts. This collection features independent retailers and small regional chains. We purposefully avoided national chains to give viewers a feel for the many ways business owners can express themselves in their signage. It is intended to be a research tool that provides visual examples of the design of local retail signs and storefronts. The potential users of this digital library are prospective business owners, as well as retail brokers who scout locations for business clients who want to visually assess local trends and looks in signage and curb appearance. We also wanted to highlight the unique charm and character of independent stores. We based our metadata model on simple Dublin Core categories. Dublin Core was an ideal starting point for this library because of its flexibility and applicability to digital objects. Once we analyzed the 15 main Dublin Core categories, we eliminated some fields and tweaked it to better accommodate our users by splitting the type field into store type and building type. We feel that the fields we have included will benefit our user group and that the fields we excluded are unnecessary in the types of searches we envision for our library. Our ViewShare library includes two static features. The first is the introduction at the top of the page, which explains the contents and usefulness of the digital library to visitors. The second is the panel on the left, which includes options for filtering our master list and each data visualization. This panel includes the following: a keyword search box, which can locate unique data points, particularly those located in the descriptive field, areas served, a list of featured neighborhoods for business owners to expand or narrow their searches, and tag clouds for filtering building type and store type, also useful to business owners or retail brokers who want to tailor their search to fit their particular needs. The default homepage lists the 52 stores that Group 5 cataloged. Each record shows a thumbnail image of the storefront, the street address of the business, the date the photo was created, the date the record was submitted to the library, a narrative description of the business, a unique ID number, latitude and longitude coordinates, store and building type, and the name of the group member who contributed this object. We included 4 data visualizations in this digital library. Each of these visualizations can be filtered using the tools on the left panel. The first 2 visualizations are maps which show store locations and areas served. While these visualizations are currently very similar, we wanted to give our users 2 options for showing the geographical locations of our storefronts. If the number of objects in this library were to be greatly expanded, these maps could be compared to demarcate neighborhood boundaries and to show areas of density, which would indicate a friendly environment for independent businesses. The gallery feature's default sorting method is by store type and includes a drop-down menu to sort by any of our metadata fields. Finally, we include a pie chart visualization for store and building types. Like all of our visualizations, these pie charts can be narrowed to show individual or multiple areas served or building and store types. Although consensus to use Dublin Core was swift, we had a long discussion honing the standard to fit our projected user group's needs. We had originally included 2 fields that were eliminated. The first was a date established field, which would have given us a nice timeline visualization and would provide some historical information about when these signs were designed and installed. This metadata proved too difficult to locate because online directories were not always accurate, or they only show when the current owners bought the business. Direct contact could not obtain the information either. For example, one contributor spent 20 minutes on the phone with various members of a business, none of whom could answer the question. This potentially useful field was eliminated because of the difficulty in obtaining the information. The second field that we had originally included was the Creator Dublin Core field, which would indicate the current business owner. This field was eliminated because, although it is a useful piece of information, it is not essential for the berry-picking search method we envisioned for our user group to take. Our finalized list of metadata fields were chosen for their essentialness for their user search. We did not want to include any extraneous fields. Still Standing was an enjoyable project, both in obtaining and presenting the subject matter, and in the ViewShare digital library creation process. As a group, we feel strongly about highlighting the creativity, personality, and humanity of local independent businesses, traits that are not exhibited in national chains. All of our contributors went into local neighborhoods to choose and document these storefronts. For prospective business owners and their representatives, this digital library provides documentation and visualization that can help them find the best location for their enterprises. ViewShare has proven to be a powerful tool for sorting, filtering, and visualizing data, and this library shows that it has applications in the business field.